Okay. Now, last year we did the front end on a 2011 Nissan Rogue, the wheel bearing, ball joints. You can watch that video if you need to. Now we're doing the rear differential. We're going to replace the rear differential. I don't know if you can see that. That's the one. I'll show you what it looks like under here. And my sister's 2011 Nissan Rogue, right there. Gearbox, she didn't have any fluid in it, so it blew a hole out the top of the differential. The gears blew out of it. So anyway, to do this, you have to take the whole rear end out of your car. Safety first. I always put it on jacks, jack stands, and you have to take the whole rear end out, axles come out of it, everything. So I'll get back with another part of the video in just a minute.